That's the comparison. No Manhattans in the first innings. It was Bengal Tigers. Moved at a snail's pace to 106 for 9. On the contrary, Bharati Cement Chennai Rhinos have done very well. 57 of the first 6, scored at about 9.5 runs an over. Now the power play overs are off, so field restrictions have been lifted. It may just bring some sanity to the game. It may just bring Bengal Tigers somewhat back to the game.
Well, we certainly hope so. Shogato with his busy action. This might even be good for 2. And we know that the Chennai Rhinos are very quick to spot that opportunity. Let's talk about the brighter side, Akash, about the Bengal Tigers. Just before that, though, a quick mention that we do have our energy partners, Godrej Eon, who are ensuring that we live in a better world. Lots of energy-saving devices. Back to the Bengal Tigers. The 6 that Jishu hit was hard and flat and had plenty of bat on it. I'm just wondering why they weren't more aggressive, because they are a lovely bunch of people. It would have been nice to see a little more aggression while batting, because there were a lot of dead bat shots, too many dot balls, and I'm sure gradually they'll learn the art of sneaking a single when they attempt to not hit big. At least keep taking the singles. That's the Chennai Rhinos owners from the right. Ganga Prasad second from right.
That reminds me of a player I played with, a guy from Afghanistan named Abid Nabi. He could hit 6s at will, on demand. I couldn't take a single. That was a first for me. That's another 4. They are just marching along the Bharati Cement Chennai Rhinos. Moved quickly to 64. That's a bomb chikawawa moment. Coming back to the story that I was sharing with you, Charu, Abid Nabi, one of its kind when it comes to cricketers, because they had 9 fielders on the fence. He was happy to hit 6s and couldn't take a single. So while he was at one end of the spectrum, this Bengal Tiger team was at the complete opposite end, because they were taking singles and there were no flourish or free-flowing strokes from their bats.
But they do have the capability, I'm quite sure of that. It's just a question of having perhaps the self-belief to go through with a more aggressive approach. Perhaps they don't wish to lose too many wickets at the top. This time there was this rash of run-outs, 3 of them in a row, which pegged them back severely to begin with. Otherwise, perhaps a better show from the Bengal Tigers, no doubt. Shogato online again.
Well, T20 cricket is a lot about fearless cricket. Playing with a lot of authority. Even if you get out, it doesn't matter. That's Sridevi, the co-owner of the Bengal Tigers.
Not much reason to smile for her, that's all right. But yeah, you mentioned self-confidence. I think it's a wonderful word to remind everybody that T20, you got to back yourself, because if you're not going to hit big, if you're not going to be explosive, then it's not going to do the trick. So Bengal Tigers, more explosion please whenever we next see you. To extra cover. And well done. 7 gone, 64 for 1.